Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura Espresso Impressa F9, and this machine was brought in because the customer said no coffee was being dispensed and the self-cleaning cycle hasn't been working. And so what we did is found that it needed a tune-up. It was pretty dirty on the inside, and also the pump wasn't functioning to its full capacity. And so between the two things and a little dirt, or not really dirt, but coffee grounds kind of stuck up in here over time, it just needed really a thorough good cleaning and a new pump in order to be working once again. So here it is, and we have the self-clean cycle also functioning. So we're going to pull a shot and test it. There we go. Good flow. Alright, there you have it. Jura Impressa F9 working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.